Welcome to the BMC Helix IT Operations Management Installation Process Overview. Johnny needs to set up BMC Helix IT Operations Management on premises, but feels stuck, so he asks Joe for help.
Joe, I've been asked to set up BMC Helix IT Operations Management on our on-premises servers, but I don't know where to start.
Don't worry, Johnny. I'll walk you through the 5-step process to get IT Operations Management up and running. Before we begin, let's understand BMC Helix IT Operations Management deployment. It helps manage provisioning, capacity, cost, performance, security, and availability of infrastructure and services.
That sounds like a comprehensive solution. How is it deployed?
By using container images, we can perform a fresh deployment of BMC Helix IT Operations Management in an on-premises environment efficiently and securely.
That makes sense. Let's move on to the deployment process.
To deploy BMC Helix IT Operations Management on premises, follow these 5 key steps. Plan the deployment, prepare for deployment, configure the deployment, deploy IT Operations Management, and perform post-deployment steps. First, we need to plan the deployment. That means checking system requirements, verifying infrastructure setup, and identifying our deployment type. Next, we will use the Health Check tool, HCT, to verify that the environment meets the recommended configuration and tuning settings.
Got it. I'll make sure everything checks out before we proceed.
Next, we prepare for deployment. We need to ensure Kubernetes is operational, install required dependencies like Helm and Kubectl, download the latest deployment package from BMC Electronic Product Distribution, EPD, and validate cluster settings.
Everything's set. Now what?
Now, let's configure BMC Helix IT Operations Management by updating configuration files with cluster and database settings, setting up network security, and validating persistent storage.
We've updated all the necessary settings in both deployment.config and infra.config. What's the next step?
Once you get the pre-installed checks are successful, time to deploy. Run the deployment using the command /deployment.manager.sh. The system will read your config files and begin deploying infrastructure and core services.
Awesome. The installation is running smoothly.
Now, let's do our post-deployment tasks. You will receive an email post-deployment. Validate the installation, log into the BMC Helix IT Operations Management portal, set up user roles and permissions, and test the system stability.
All components are working fine. BMC Helix IT Operations Management is ready to go.
For detailed installation steps, refer to our documentation on docs.bmc.com. Click the link in the video description to access the documentation. Thank you.